Hey guys, it's Sup. I'm Sarah.
And of course, Sammy.
And we are the hosts of Sup.
Yes.
Today we're making empanadas from Argentina.
Yes, these are basically the Argentinian version of samosas.
Yes, and also pasties from Cornwall. So there's lots of different countries that have different things like this. So let's get started.
Let's get started.
So first we're going to cook the ground beef, which we already did. So instead of that, we're going to cut the vegetables. So I'll cut the pepper.
2 red peppers and 2 onions.
The name empanadas comes from the Spanish verb empanar, which means to wrap or coat in bread. Now we're going to add oil into the pan and cook the peppers and onions. We're going to cook these until they're tender but not browned. We're going to bring this to a simmer until all of the liquid has evaporated, and that takes about 15 to 20 minutes.
This just adds a nice, subtle sweetness to the dish.
We're going to put this in a bowl and cover it and chill for at least 3 hours. And now we're going to use our empanada puff pastry dough and fill them and put them in the oven. We got this empanada dough from the frozen food section. The filling that we made is a beef and vegetable filling, but you can use any kind. You can do just vegetables, another kind of meat, or like fruit. We've made pumpkin ones before and they're really good. So now we're going to put them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes until they are golden brown. We just got them out of the oven and now Sammy's going to try them because I'm not going to because they have meat and I'm a vegetarian.
Smell this. Okay, that's not. Here we go. This is a perfect balance of sweetness and saltiness. So good, perfect on the palate. Those little raisins give it the perfect sweetness that it needs. So good.
If you want more recipes like this, make sure you get our book, Snackcation. You can get it on Amazon if you just search Snackcation. You can also, for more recipes, go to our website, supkidscooking.com, and our Instagram at supkidscooking. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Bye!